Welcome to Mr. Plants Lover. Today, we're diving into the world of indoor plants that not only beautify your home but also purify the air, reduce stress, and require minimal maintenance. If you're looking to create a healthier and more stylish living space, you're in the right place. Let's explore the top indoor plants that will transform your home into a green oasis. First up, we have the snake plant, also known as This hardy plant is a true air purifying champion, absorbing toxins like formaldehyde from your indoor environment. What makes the snake plant even more appealing is its ability to thrive in low light conditions and its low water requirements. It's practically indestructible, making it perfect for those who may not have a green thumb. With its tall, sword-like leaves, the snake plant adds a touch of modern elegance to any room. Consider placing it in a corner of your bedroom or living room for maximum impact. Moving on to our second plant, the ZZ plant, or Zamioculcas zamiofolia. This plant is a true low-maintenance superstar. Its glossy, dark green leaves bring a touch of sophistication to any space while quietly working to remove air pollutants. The ZZ plant is incredibly adaptable, thriving in low-light conditions and requiring minimal care. It's an excellent choice for those who want to add a modern, sleek look to their home without the hassle of constant upkeep. Picture this beauty sitting on a shelf in a minimalist living room, adding a pop of green to a neutral color palette. Next on our list is the spider plant, a versatile and family-friendly option. This plant is not only safe for children and pets, but also excels at releasing oxygen and improving humidity in your home. The spider plant's cascading leaves make it ideal for hanging baskets, creating a stunning visual display. Imagine a sunny window adorned with a spider plant, its spinnerets dangling gracefully, adding movement and life to your space. It's a perfect choice for those looking to bring a bit of nature indoors without compromising on safety. For those seeking elegance and air purifying power, look no further than the peace lily. This stunning plant boasts beautiful white flowers and is renowned for its ability to remove mold spores from the air. The peace lily thrives in moderate light conditions and requires weekly watering, making it a relatively low-maintenance option for busy households. Picture a blooming peace lily gracing your bathroom counter or office desk, adding a touch of serenity to your daily routine while silently improving your air quality. If you're after a fast-growing, versatile plant that's believed to attract wealth and positivity, the pothos, also known as the money plant, is your go-to choice. This trailing vine is incredibly adaptable, capable of growing in both water and soil. Its lush, heart-shaped leaves can transform any space into a green paradise. Imagine a pothos cascading down from a high shelf or trailing along your bookcase, adding a dynamic and lively element to your home decor. Not only does it look fantastic, but it also helps to purify the air, making it a win-win for both aesthetics and health. Last, but certainly not least, we have the aloe vera plant. Known for its medicinal properties, particularly for skincare, aloe vera is more than just a pretty face. This succulent thrives in bright, indirect light and is incredibly easy to care for. Beyond its practical uses, aloe vera is excellent at improving air quality while adding a touch of desert chic to your home. Consider placing a small aloe vera plant on your kitchen or bathroom windowsill, where it can soak up the light and be easily accessible for those minor kitchen burns or skin irritations. Each of these plants brings its unique benefits and beauty to your home. The snake plant stands tall and proud, purifying the air with minimal fuss. The ZZ plant adds a modern touch while quietly cleaning the air around you. The spider plant dangles playfully, safe for all members of your household while boosting oxygen levels. The peace lily brings elegance and serenity, combating mold and adding a touch of sophistication. The pothos trails gracefully, believed to bring good fortune along with its air-purifying qualities, and the aloe vera sits ready to soothe and heal while improving your indoor air quality. Incorporating these plants into your home decor is not just about aesthetics. It's about creating a healthier, more vibrant living environment. Each plant has its own personality and care requirements, but all share the common traits of being relatively low maintenance and highly beneficial for your indoor air quality. Imagine walking into a home where a snake plant greets you in the entryway, its tall leaves standing like silent guardians. As you move into the living room, a ZZ plant catches your eye, its glossy leaves reflecting the soft light. A spider plant hangs in the corner, its offspring cascading down in a natural display. In the home office, a peace lily blooms serenely, helping you focus and breathe easier. The kitchen is adorned with a trailing pothos, bringing life to the shelves and countertops. And in the bathroom, an aloe vera plant sits ready to soothe and heal. This vision of a plant-filled home isn't just beautiful, it's a testament to the power of nature to improve our living spaces. These plants work tirelessly to clean the air, reduce stress levels, and create a more harmonious environment. They bring the outdoors in, connecting us to nature even in the most urbanist settings. But the benefits don't stop there. Caring for plants can be a rewarding and therapeutic activity. Watching your green friends grow and thrive under your care can bring a sense of accomplishment and joy. It's a simple way to bring more life and positivity into your daily routine. As you consider which of these amazing plants to add to your home, think about your lifestyle and the specific needs of your space. Do you have pets or children? The spider plant might be your best bet. Looking for something that can thrive in low light? The ZZ plant or snake plant could be perfect. Want to add some trailing greenery to your bookshelves? Pothos is the way to go. Remember, you don't have to choose just one. A combination of these plants can create a diverse and dynamic indoor garden, each contributing its unique benefits to your home's ecosystem. Start small if you're new to plant care, and gradually expand your indoor jungle as you gain confidence and experience. So, which of these incredible plants will you welcome into your home first? Will it be the resilient snake plant, the modern ZZ plant, the family-friendly spider plant, the elegant peace lily, the versatile pothos, or the healing aloe vera? Each choice is a step towards a healthier, more beautiful living space. We'd love to hear about your plant journey. Share your experiences, ask questions, and connect with fellow plant lovers in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Mr. Plants Lover for more tips, tricks, and insights into the wonderful world of indoor plants. Together, we can create homes that are not just living spaces, but thriving, breathing ecosystems that nourish our bodies and souls. Thank you for joining us on this green adventure. Here's to healthier, more stylish homes filled with the beauty and benefits of nature. Happy planting, and we'll see you in the next video.